Welcome to Elevator Education channel. We will inform you that we provide math tuition all over India through online education. We provide tuition on Google Meet platform, that is an online platform, you know, and we take classes weekly 4 class, and in 1 month you get 16 classes. And our fees system is very nominal. Our fee system is monthly. Our fee system is in monthly mode. When you go to the big brand name institution, they will take a lump sum fees, 25,000, 20,000, etc. But we take the fees on a monthly basis. It will help you that you have no such financial burden to give the lump sum money. Now, in 1 month duration, you can access that what kind of teaching provided to you from us. And the thing is that we actually teaching individually, small batches, 3 to 4 batch, 4 to 5 maximum. So it will help the student. So we can handle the situation of the student individually. If some student is slightly weak in quant section, so we can take to the basic level very. Then we started to level 1, level 2. After that, we will also solving the previous questions of math, and we also give you a strategy that what answer you can answer in the math examination and how many attempts you should be done in the exam. And very strategically, we also give you a estimate that after how many attempts, what the score you have. There is also negative marking in math, you know. So the thing is that we have to take the exam very strategically. If you strategically do some chapters, some topics that most questions comes in the math, so you can easily get a very good marks. And there is also a negative marking, -114 math. So we have to keep in mind these facts. So if we strategically attempted the question and answer, definitely a good score will come. This type of strategy we also provide the student that what type of question come, what should you attempt or not, how many questions you should have attempt or not. So if you want tuition from us in online mode, definitely you can call us me on the number 9748161018. The number is calling on my video, you can see. And we communicate in English language, Hindi language, we communicate in Bengali. So there is no problem because English, you know that all over India English is going on. So I think in management, there is no communication problem in our tuition. And if you have any doubts or any issue about the topic, any topic, you can call us. We will definitely clear the doubt from extra doubt plus also. So I will tell you, if you need tuition, please call us. My number 9748161018. This is my number. And thanks to everybody to watching the full video. And also request everybody that you should obviously subscribe our channel. If you subscribe our channel, you have to know also about the technical things of management tuitions and management education. So today, that's it. Everybody should be very systematic, because management is itself a systematic thing. If you prepare your math preparation very systematic, definitely you will success and you will get a good college. So today's for that is enough. Thank you everybody for the day. Thanks.